Hello and welcome back to Swaggy Amma. And today we are back with another delicious recipe from the Konkani cuisine. We'll be seeing how to prepare kele halwo. This is an easy recipe which you can prepare with Nendram banana. And if you're trying for weight gaining kids, this is perfect for that. To prepare this recipe, few of the ingredients that we require would be 2 medium size ripe Nendram banana, 1 to 2 teaspoon of homemade ghee, and sugar as per taste. Firstly, to begin with, peel the outer skin of the banana and further chop this into small cubes as shown in the video. Repeat the process for both the bananas, and once done, transfer this into a plate and separate the chopped banana pieces with the help of your hands. While choosing the banana for this recipe, make sure it is ripe and not overripe so that it's not soft and mushy once chopped. Next, take a thick bottom kadai and into that pour oil enough for deep frying. For deep frying, you can even use ghee instead of oil. Once the oil is hot enough, transfer the chopped banana pieces in batches and deep fry until they turn golden brown. Make sure to deep fry throughout in medium flame and not in high flame, as it tends to burn the banana and not cook properly. Once done, transfer the deep fried banana pieces into a mixing bowl and add 1 teaspoon of homemade ghee. Gently give this a stir and make sure not to mash or break the banana pieces while doing this. Finally, add sugar as per taste and give this a good mix once again. Here I have added 1 tablespoon of sugar. You can add sugar according to your taste and the sweetness of the banana which you have taken. Transfer the banana halwa into a serving bowl and sprinkle some more sugar on top of it right before serving. Your delicious banana halwa or kele halwo is ready. This can be had as an evening snack or even as a dessert recipe. So do try this and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up, and for more vegetarian recipes, do not forget to like, follow and subscribe to Swaggy Amma in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.